Stoichiometry, a concept that still scares many students today. But after watching today's video, all your fear will disappear, and you'll be able to solve stoichiometry questions confidently without stopping. So, hello everyone. Welcome to LearnX Verse. What is stoichiometry? Stoichiometry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the calculation of reactants and products in a chemical reaction using a balanced chemical equation. It means stoichiometry tells us how much reactants are needed and how much products are formed in a chemical reaction. Let's take an equation to understand this better. Sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride. This equation is not balanced. Now, this equation is balanced. See the coefficients. Sodium has 2, chlorine has 1, sodium chloride has 2. Stoichiometry says that these coefficients show the mole ratio. So, if we take 4 moles of sodium, then since the ratio of sodium to chlorine is 2:1, we need 2 moles of Cl2. And since the ratio of sodium to sodium chloride is 2:2, 4 moles of sodium will produce 4 moles of sodium chloride. If we take 5 moles of sodium, then since the ratio of sodium to chlorine is 2:1, we will need 2.5 moles of Cl2. And since the ratio to NaCl is 2:2, 5 moles of Na will produce 5 moles of NaCl. If we take 10 moles of Cl2, then since the ratio of chlorine to sodium is 1:2, we will need 20 moles of sodium. And since the ratio of Cl2 to NaCl is 1:2, 10 moles of Cl2 will produce 20 moles of NaCl. Let's see how questions come from stoichiometry. How many moles of water are formed when 2 grams of hydrogen react completely with oxygen? The question asks for the moles of water. First, write the balanced equation. We are given 2 grams of hydrogen, and we need to find the moles of water. Since the ratio of hydrogen to water is 2:2, the moles of hydrogen and water will be equal. So first, let's calculate the moles of hydrogen. The formula for moles is given mass divided by molar mass. Our given mass of hydrogen is 2 grams, and molar mass of hydrogen is 2 grams per mole. After solving, we get 1 mole, since 2 moles of hydrogen equals 2 moles of water. Therefore, the moles of water formed are 1 mole. How many moles of magnesium oxide are formed when 12 grams of magnesium reacts with oxygen? Write the balanced equation. We are given 12 grams of magnesium, and we need to find the moles of magnesium oxide. Since the ratio of magnesium to magnesium oxide is 2:2, the moles of magnesium and magnesium oxide will be equal. So first, let's calculate the moles of magnesium. The formula for moles is given mass divided by molar. Our given mass of magnesium is 12 grams, and the molar mass of magnesium is 24 grams per mole. After solving, we get 0.5 moles. Since 2 moles of magnesium equals 2 moles of magnesium oxide, the ratio is 1:1. Therefore, the moles of magnesium oxide formed are 0.5 moles. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia, NH3. Calculate the mass of ammonia produced when 28 kilograms of nitrogen reacts completely with hydrogen. First, write the balanced equation. The question asks for the mass of ammonia. We are given the mass of nitrogen, 28 kilograms. First, convert it into grams. Multiply by 1,000. So, we get 28,000 grams. Now, we start by finding the moles of nitrogen. The formula for moles is given mass divided by molar. Given mass is 28,000 grams. Molar mass of N, 2, is 28 grams per mole. After solving, we get 1,000 moles of nitrogen, 1 mole. N2 equals 2 moles, NH3. So, moles of ammonia will be double the moles of nitrogen. Moles of ammonia is 1,000 times 2 equals 2,000 moles. Now we have the moles of ammonia. Moles equals given mass divided by molar mass. We have 2,000 moles, and we need to find the mass. The molar mass of ammonia, NH3, is 17 grams per mole. Mass equals 17 times 2,000 equals 34,000 grams. Therefore, the mass of ammonia formed is 34,000 grams. So, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing questions and this concept will become super easy for you. See you in the next video.